What was the Indian Child Welfare Act? What impact has it had on the lives of Native American children? What recent controversies have arisen within the U.S. Supreme Court? Stay tuned as we explore these questions and more in this episode of 2-Minute History. The Indian Child Welfare Act, or ICWA, of 1978 is a landmark piece of federal legislation that seeks to maintain the integrity of Native American families and tribes. Before the enactment of the ICWA, a disconcertingly high number of Native American children were being removed from their families and placed into foster care, or adopted into non-native homes, often resulting in cultural disconnection and loss of their tribal identity. ICWA was enacted in response to this alarming trend, which was seen as a significant threat to the continuity of Native American culture and communities. The act was established on the premise that the best interests of Native American children were to maintain ties to their families, tribes, and cultural heritage. It set out several key measures to ensure that Native American children were kept within their tribal communities wherever possible. Firstly, the Act instituted preferences for the placement of Native American children in adoption and foster care cases, giving priority to the child's extended family, other members of the child's tribe, and members of other tribes over non-native families. These provisions aimed to ensure cultural continuity and tribal connection for Native American children. Additionally, the ICWA vested tribes with jurisdiction in child custody proceedings involving children who are members of or eligible for membership in the tribe. This provision allows tribes to adjudicate these cases according to their customs and laws, effectively recognizing tribal sovereignty in child welfare matters. ICWA also instituted procedural safeguards in state court proceedings to protect the rights of Native American children and their families. This includes requiring that active efforts be made to provide remedial services and rehabilitative programs aimed at preventing the unwarranted removal of Native American children from their families. It also requires proof beyond a reasonable doubt, supported by testimony from qualified experts, that continued custody by the parent or Indian custodian is likely to result in serious emotional or physical damage to the child. However, this law is not without its recent controversies. In June 2023, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld ICWA, prioritizing Native American communities in foster care or adoption cases. The ruling faced opposition from some non-native families who claimed the law was discriminatory. The court sidestepped the debate on whether the law's placement rules were racially biased. While some Native American Christians saw the ruling as a victory for cultural preservation, others raised concerns about the complexities and difficulties in child removal cases. The ruling highlights ongoing tension between cultural heritage, children's welfare, and adoption rights of non-native families. The ICWA has been critical in countering the historical tendency of culturally insensitive child welfare practices, and although it has faced challenges and criticisms due to its complexities, it remains a significant piece of legislation. Do you agree with the recent Supreme Court's decision on ICWA? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching 2-Minute History. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.